Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm James, and today I'd like to share with you another Stingray. Alright, well, if you're familiar with my channel, you know that I did a build series of this Balsa USA Stingray, which I have sitting here in this rack. And this is a kit, it's a balsa kit, and again it's from Balsa USA. It's a sport plane. It has an 80-inch wingspan, and I'm powering it with a DLE-20 gas engine. And I can't say enough good things about this plane and about the kit. I'm not being paid by Balsa USA, but in any case, it's sort of I guess it's a shout out to them. But yeah, it's a great plane. It flies great. It's just a wonderful plane to fly. It's very stable, and I absolutely love it. So recently, I got an email from one of our viewers. His name is Dan, and he sent me a few pictures of his Stingray, which he's in the process of finishing up. And he sent me 3 pictures, and I'm going to show you some close-ups and show you those pictures here. And it is he's doing a great job. It looks wonderful. It also has a red, white, and blue color scheme and a lot of detail with his covering. It just looks fabulous, and I'm really impressed. I think it looks better than mine. Yeah, just a great looking plane. One thing he's going to do, which he told me he's going to do, is because there's a lot of room, sort of, I think maybe in the front compartment here, and he's using an electric setup, and he has a room. He's going to be trying to make sort of like a Bombay compartment or something you can drop stuff out of. He's thinking like ping pong balls, or maybe a little dude in a parachute or something. So he's still working on that. So I told him to let us know when he gets that finished. Maybe he can share some more pictures. And as you can see, it is a wonderful looking plane. He did a great job on it. You can look at the detail in the covering. Just a really, really nice looking plane. So let me tell you about the specifications that he has, what he's going to be using. Again, it's going to be electric powered. So I wrote these down, so let me grab my clipboard. Okay, so again, he has an electric motor setup. He's using, which kind of confused me at first. He said it's a badass electric motor. I thought he was saying like, oh, it's badass, but it's actually, that's the actual brand. That tells you how much I know. I don't know a lot about electric setups, obviously, but it's a badass motor. It's a BA-4530-4530-440. He got it from this website. I guess it's called Innov8tive Designs. They have a lot of stuff on there for electric setups. He's using a 100 amp ESC on it. That's your electric speed control. I know that. And he's running a 6-cell 5,000 milliampere hour battery on it, and a 12/8 prop. So his weight came in actually pretty close to mine. He sent me his weight, and it came in at 10.8 pounds. And I think that's pretty good. Comes in pretty close to spec. And I think it should be just an absolutely great flyer. If he adds that Bombay stuff on the Bombay to it, it probably add a little bit of weight to that. So in any case, it looks really good, and I'm really happy. You know, he said that he was watching my channel, and he decided to try to build one of these as well, and he did a great job. And I really do appreciate Dan sending me these pictures and the information and contacting me. And he said his maiden flight is still to come. He's just finishing up, and so I told him, you know, please let us know how that goes. Maybe he'll send us some more pictures. Okay, so that's about it. Thanks a lot, Dan, for sharing your pictures with me. And really, I was thinking, you know, maybe we could do more of this. So maybe let me know in the comments if the rest of you would be interested. Maybe you want to share some pictures of some planes you're building, or the planes that you like. You know, I know that I build building planes from kits. That's sort of the thing that I do here, the main thing that I do. But I certainly respect and fly, have, you know, ARFs, and also electric setups. You know, no problem. If you're out there flying RC planes, you're good in my book. I don't really care how you're doing it, as long as you're enjoying it. So, you know, think about it. If some of you are building planes and you want to share a few pictures with me, you know, maybe just let me know in the comments, and maybe if I get enough responses on that, maybe I can kind of set up like a sort of like little side series or something to kind of share viewers' builds, because it's really cool. This is what it's about. It's community. It's fun to see what other people are doing, and I always enjoy looking at other people's planes and hearing about their setups and sort of their adventures with everything. So one thing I did want to mention, I'm still building the Aeromite. I'm actually getting closer. I'm going to be doing another video here and hopefully releasing that shortly here. I'm continuing on with the Aeromite build. I'm going to be doing the hinging for the ailerons and the stabilizer and rudder and such. And it's just moving on from there. So I'm actually getting close to finishing that plane. And then I'm thinking about, well, I am going to be dabbling a little bit in RC jets. It's not going to be, it's just going to be sort of a side thing. I'm thinking about building an RC jet. I've been looking at a company that sells them, and I've been thinking about doing that. And I'm also thinking about maybe doing some reviews of a few jets. I've been contacted by a couple of hobby companies that were maybe asked, that have asked me, you know, would I review a couple other products. So we'll see how that goes. Again, it's not going to be the bread and butter of this channel. Again, I like to build. So anyhow, just trying to maybe get a little bit of variety in there. So in any case, that's it. Been talking a long time, and you know, again, thanks Dan for sharing your pictures, and your plane looks great, and I'm looking forward to hearing how it turns out with your maiden. And everybody else also, you know, thanks for watching my channel. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.